that it was recorded in.
Oh my God.
Now, where were you standing when you recorded Surfin' Bird?
Well, Steve was sitting right there, actually. Yeah, I've been asked to do this song many, many times, but as you all know, Steve recorded the song. He was the voice. He's the guy who really came up with the voice and came up with the idea for it. And Steve passed away in 1989, and every time we do this song, because we're the Trashmen, of course, we must do this song. So I'll do a short version of this, and you'll see me do this. I'll nod, telling them that we are going to change chords now, because you can't do this song the same way ever. There's just no way, because when you start doing this song, your brain starts to do crazy things. It really, I'm serious. It really does.
It warped my. I could have had a regular job, Tony. I could have been like a lawyer or a doctor or something. But Surfin' Bird warped my brain.
Yeah, well, you're not the only one. You know, you can't imagine how many people have told me they get the earworm. That's what it's called when you can't get a song out of your head. And people actually were very upset with us about that. You know, because that happened. You did this on purpose, they said. But
my parents were upset about it, that's for sure.
Yeah. And okay, so we'll see.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Well, bird, bird, bird. The bird, 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 bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, it's got a good beat. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Well, the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird.
Not bad. Surfin bird. There you go. Thank you, everybody.